Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn 2D shapes. Pentagon, star, circle, triangle, square and heart. Now first learn the color's name. Red color. This is red color. Blue color. This is blue color. Yellow color. This is yellow color. Olive green color. This is olive green color. Orange color. This is orange color. Light green color. This is light green color. And this is black color. Now draw the shapes. Pentagon, star, circle, triangle, square, heart, now put the color. Light green color, pentagon. Next, yellow color, star. Next, orange color, circle. Next, blue color, triangle. Next, olive green color, square. Next, red color, heart. What we learned? We learned pentagon, light green color, star, yellow color, circle, orange color, triangle, blue color, square, olive green color and heart, red color. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.